about how to throw an exception. So what is Java throw keyword? The Java throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception. We can throw either checked or unchecked exception in Java by throw keyword. The throw keyword is mainly used to throw the custom exception. Whenever we want to use the custom exceptions in our program, we can use the Java throw keyword. The Java throw keyword is mostly used with the custom exceptions. And its syntax is throw exception. Example, throw new IO exception, sorry device error. So with the help of throw keyword, or we can throw any exceptions that we want to throw. And for example, the throw new IO exception, here input output exception is throw, which gives the printing message that is sorry device error. So let's see the code how we can implement the throw keyword in Java. Here is an example of test throw 1. First of all, we create a class, public class test throw 1, and inside it we create a method that is static void validate. And in this we take an argument that is int age and then check. If age is less than 18, we throw new arithmetic exception not valid, else we print welcome to vote. And inside the main method, we just call the method that is validate with the value 13 and then print rest of the code. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our location, so just write Zavak test throw 1.java and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will give us the result that is java.lang arithmetic exception not valid. So if we want to throw any exception at a time rather than printing the value, we can throw it with the help of new throw statement. Here we just throw the new arithmetic exception not valid with the help of throw statement. Whatever the exception we want to throw, we can throw it. In this way, we can also use it in the custom exceptions also. We can use throw keyword to throw our exceptions for the parent key. In this way, we can use the throw keyword in Java. Thank you.